Who are you?
No one seems to grasp the concept of the mask.
Freeze!